Good morning to all of you. I am Shara Khurshid, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Engineering University, Lucknow. Today I am here again with my another lecture, that is ISO 9000. So, before proceeding to my lecture, I would like to firstly discuss what is ISO, what is its full form, what is its importance, what is its advantages. All I have to discuss in just a little bit of summary, and then later on we will continue this in our slides. So I will start with the full form. So what is ISO means? ISO is International Standard Organization. 9000 is just a number to classify it as there is a 9001 also, and then ISO 2000 and 9001. There are many types of standard organizations have been set up, and standards have been changed from time to time, depending upon the market capabilities and on this, and most probably on the mood of customer. Now, why this ISO is set up? This is set up to manufacture or to produce services up to a certain standard. Now, what are that standards and how they are set up? So, see, you all have that appeared in the exam, you get some marks, and the marks are out of 100, out of 60, out of 40. So what is that 100? What is that 60? What is that 40? What is that? That is your standard value, and you will get your marks in the ratio of that 50 out of 100, 60 out of 100. So whatever work you are scoring is your marks, and you are scoring in 100, 60 or 40. So what is 100, 60 and 40 here? This is your standard value in ratio of which you have given marks. So, similarly, for goods, services and products which are manufacturing, which are producing, to maintain their quality, certain standards values has been set up. So, our quality is rated when it is in compared to that standard value. And so, since it is a marketing of whole world, so the standard organization is set up for maintaining such values and for maintaining such data. That the work of ISO organization is that what value should be selected, what are the parameters for selecting particular standard value. So now I will continue. So definition. We should say that ISO 9000 is a quality management tool. It's a quality management tool, and it is used to maintain quality within an organization, and its main role is to satisfy a customer. When the quality is maintained, productivity is increased, unnecessary cost is reduced, and quality of products and goods are made. So what has happened? What is happened when a company is incentivized with ISO? So they have to produce their products according to their norms, according to the quality that are defined by ISO. ISO is an organization, as I previously told, was set up in 1987. So from 1987, when or you can say in mid of 90s, when the industries grow up very fastly, very rapidly, so there is a need of some standards to be set up for manufacturing. Then this ISO comes to the existence. Now, when you go to a jeweler, you just purchase a jewelry, then there is a word, or you may purchasing some goods and there is a word ISI mark. So these are some standard. When you are manufacturing according to the standard of ISO, ISO gets you certified. That I am certifying you that you are a standard manufacturing, which is, you are a standard manufacturer who is manufacturing according to the quality standards. So it is a kind of quality standard to develop within the organization, to meet your customer need, to increase your productivity, to reduce your unnecessary costs. Now, what are these unnecessary costs, which I have written here? These unnecessary costs are failure cost and maintenance cost. Obviously, when you are maintaining quality, there are less failure and maintenance cost. Now, what are quality management principles? Foremost and most important, customer focused. Your customer should be fully satisfied. Whatever you have manufactured, how good you have manufactured, it is worthless if you can't satisfy your customer. If your customer is not satisfied, no matter how big your name is, how big your company is, it is all worthless. Leadership. Your administration should be good to company, their employees in all conditions. Employees should be satisfied. See, a famous quotes from some socialists is there that an organization cannot run without the support of its worker. Involvement of people at every level, people is involved. If administration is active, the one who is maintaining the machine should be active. The one who is producing the goods should be active. The one who is dealing with the market should be active. Process approach. The process developed for manufacturing should be employee friendly. Your approach should be good. It should not be like that it is very complicated. Even your core employees are not understanding it properly, then how others will understand. System approach to management. How management is approaching to its company. It's very important. The role of management is manufacturing is very crucial. See, both psychological and both in the materialistic. It's a very crucial role. Why? If management is not promoting the employee, after a certain period of time, they will stop working. If you are not providing his salary on time, after a certain period, they will not take interest in your work. So, system approach of management is very important, whether it is towards his employee or whether it is towards his manufacturing facilities or providing any services. See, if your management is not ready to purchase certain modern tools, modern machines, you are not going to supply goods according to the present quality standards. Quality is produced. Quality is increasing day by day. You have got first you have got mobile phones with 4 camera, now 5 camera. Previously, you have got 1 camera or 2 cameras, so it is increasing. Continuous improvement is very important, as I have said you that quality is increasing day by day, so it should be continuously improved. Factual approach to decision. Instead of going for theoretical approach, like this is very good, red color is good, black color is good, blue color is good. No, don't go with this. You should have some facts that what the customer likes, what is the demand. These kinds of facts should be based on your decision making. Instead of theoretical approach, it should be statistical approach. Now, what is statistical approach? Collecting data from market, कस्टमर से अपने कांटेक्ट में रहना, मेंटेनिंग रिलेशन विद योर कस्टमर्स, मेंटेनिंग रिलेशन विद योर प्रोड्यूसर्स, एवरीवन. You should be depends on the fact instead of theories. See na, theories are never giving you 100% results. You should be depend on fact instead of theories. Mutually beneficial supplier relationship. Now, when you manufacture a good, you supply to a supplier, so the supplier should be completely satisfied, so continue purchasing your goods. So these are 8 principles of your management: customer focus, leadership, involvement of people, process approach, management approach, continual improvement, factual, supplier. See, if you have this structure, then you came to know that at every step of manufacturing, there is a certain rule, certain principle to deal with it. So all manufacturing processes are continual process. Now these are some what is customer focus. You can read it later on. I have explained you process approach, improvement, decision making. These are just two lines, and you can read it later on. I have explained you this. Wait a second now. Now next is your what are ISO requirements. This is how ISO is required. When you have to set up requirement, what you have to do if you want to get your organization certified, and what you have to do? You have to go to process, then you should develop a process, then you should do a proper procedure, getting you certified. Work instructions. These are your different departments which should be covered while you are trying to get ISO certified. It is like that. I am explaining you now. If I am going to my previous slide, then I am explaining you this management. So what I have told you in this slide, I have told you that at every stage, customer focus, the involvement of people, process, system involvement, decision making, supplier. At every stage, certain decisions have to be made, certain directions have to be given in order to get ISO certified. So that is this slide. At what are requirement, you should start the procedure. The procedure is you should give instruction to different departments. Now, how you will get ISO certified, or how you will be ISO certified? First step is give out the application. to certain government body that you want to get ISO certified. The applications are even online as well as in offline. Now you should assist yourself before giving the assessment. Now what is pre-assessment? It is assessment done by you, that whether you are matching the ISO standards or not, whether your standards are matched with ISO or not. So you should be giving your pre-assessment. Third one is you should maintain your document for review or for audit, which is done by the ISO team. Now audit is there, then you will go for registration, and then again inspection, and finally you are ISO certified. Sorry. However, ISO 9001 certified, while an ISO is not regulatory requirement, ISO reports over 1 million companies in over 170 countries have been certified to ISO 9000. Although it is not necessary to be ISO certified while coming in the market, but still most of the bigger companies in the countries are ISO certified. It is a standard mark. When you put a mark of ISO, it is said you are producing the good of standard quality. So everyone wants to be standardized. Now this is by benefits of ISO certification: better risk management, reduce operating cost, offensive failure cost and repairing cost are eliminated, better customer satisfaction, customer is better satisfied when you are producing good according to the quality of where customer is going to be satisfied. It's no chance that customer is not satisfied. When you are producing good according to the need, it's going to be satisfied the customer. Your production is legalized, that is certified, improve relationship with customer and suppliers, and your business is expand. So this is our benefits of ISO. Thank you. Any queries, you can go to the comment section and comment.